Hi, year six, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Now, our lesson for today is all about mode and range. What are mode and range? Okay, our learning objectives for today is first, find the mode in a given set of data in a real life situation, calculate the range of a given set of data, and solve word problems. Okay, now let's start with what is mode. Mode is a value or an object in a set of data that occurs or appeared the most. Okay, so let's start with and then what will be the next? What is range? Range is the difference between the highest value and lowest value. Okay, now I'm going to explain first about mode. Let's read this. Rim listed the ages of her cousins in different sticky notes. So meaning Rim gathered the ages of her cousins. Let's see the ages of her cousin. So one of the cousin of Rim is 12 years old, 11 years old, 16 years old, another 16 years old, and 15 years old, and the last one is 16 years old. So these are the ages of the cousin of Rim. So how we are going to find the mode of the ages of her cousin? So as the meaning says, the values or the numbers that has been written the most or it appeared frequently or repeatedly. So if you could see here, okay, we have 12, we have 11, we have 16, we have 16 again, and 15 and 16. So since we have 316, okay, 1, 2, 3, therefore it is the most age of her cousin actually. So this is the mode, okay, because it has been repeated frequently. So the mode of this is 16. Okay, is that easy? Yes, it is very easy. Let's take another example. This is the store or scores of Bahrain football. This is just example, okay? It's only example, okay, in their matches this year. So we have 3, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 5, 5, and 3. So if we have more numbers, it is better to write it from the smallest to the largest. And it will be easier for you to distinguish which one is the mode. Okay, so we have the lowest is 1. Let's make it a bit. So 1, 2, how many 3 do we have? 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now let's see the next. 1, 2, 3. There are also 3 5s. So 1, 2, 3. And then the next will be 6. Okay, so if you notice here, we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So therefore, we have 2 mode. So we have 3 and 5. Why we have 2? Because 3 and 5 has been written equal. Okay, they have not the same number. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, since they are the same, okay, the same number of threes here, so we have 2 mode, which is the 3 and the 5. Okay, it's very easy. Now, the next thing is, how about maybe you're saying, how about if, for example, we have an example here. I have 3, 1, 8, 12, 5, 9. Okay, so we have 3, 1, 8, 12, 5, 9. So If you look here, we have only 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 8, 1, 5, 1, 12, 1, 9. So they are all of these numbers has been written only once. So there's no number that has been written the most or repeatedly. So therefore, in this set of data, okay, remember there is what is mode? No mode. Okay, is that clear? Okay, very good. I hope you understand that part. Okay, now I want to give more example. Okay, I have 32, oops, 45, 21, 32, 32, 45, and 23. So let's arrange in order. 21, 32, 32, again 32. Oh, I forgot 23. 23, 32, 45, and 45. Okay, so if you could see here 21, 23, 32, 32, 32, 45, 45. So we have only one mode. Okay, the mode is 32. Why we have why we did not get so we have here 32, 32. We have 3, 32. We are not allowed to take 45 even though it's written repeatedly because it is only 2. But 32 has been written 3 times. 45 has been written only 2 times. So therefore, the most is 32. Is that clear? Okay, I hope you understand what is mode. Now let's move to, okay, I will explain you what is range. We said a while ago that range is the difference between the highest and lowest value. So that is range. So let's check for our example here. Ryan lists down her scores in math quizzes. Okay, and here are Ryan's math quizzes results. We have 19, we have 19, 12, 18, 20, 30, 17, 17, 20, 17, 16. Okay, since we are looking for the range only, which says the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. So let's find which one is the highest. So 20 is the highest. So let's write it down. Oh, sorry. Oh. So let's see. So range, which one is the highest? 20 is the highest, minus the lowest, which is 12. So therefore, the range of Ryan's score in math quiz is 8. Okay, it's very easy. Okay. Let's have another example. These are the temperatures in Bahrain this week. We have 20 degrees, 21 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, and 20 degrees Celsius. What is the range? So, find the range of the temperature. So, the highest temperature is 22 and the lowest is 20 degrees. So, we will subtract them. So 22 minus 20 is equals to 2. So therefore, the range of the temperature in Bahrain is 2. Clear? I hope it's clear for you. Okay. Now, would you mind to answer this? Pause your video, then answer. Okay. Okay, I hope you're done. Now, let's check which one are the mode. Okay, let's see. So, we have 20, 80, 80. So, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, therefore, our mode here is 60 centimeter and 80 centimeter. Okay, now let's find the range. The range is, the highest is 80 minus 20 equals 60. Okay, did you do it correctly? Okay, very good. Now next one. Here 30, 25, 22, 28, 10. Is there any written repeatedly? No. Therefore, there is no mode. Okay. Now let's find the range. The range is, the highest is 30, then minus the lowest, which is 10. Therefore, the answer is 20. Okay. Let's finish this first. 19. Which one is the mode? 19, 11, 20, 8, 11. So it is 11. What is the range? So 20 is the highest and 8 is the lowest. Therefore, the answer is 12. Okay. Now, next one here. Which one is the highest? The number that is repeated. 21, 41, 10, 81, 21, again, and 10, 10. So therefore, the mode is 10 and 21. Okay. Now, last one. Which one is the highest? 81. Which one is the lowest? 10. Therefore, the mode is, range is 71. Okay, which one is the lowest here? ID mode 41, 42, 40, 31, 41. So 41 kg. Okay. So what is the range? So let's see which one is the highest. 42 minus 32 is 10 kg. Okay, children, did you do it correctly? Did you do it all correct? Answer. Yes, I hope so. Very good. Okay. Okay, I want you to answer from your student book, page 133, question 1. Okay, you're going to find the model height, which is here, model shoe size, range of masses, range of ages, and what is the model class. Okay, so you can see here in the height, model height, 141, 132, 122, 130, 133, 125, and 133. So which one is the number or the height that has been repeated the most? Yes, 33. Okay. Now, what is the model shoe size? Let's see. 4.5, 4, 4, 3.5, 3.5, 2, and 4. So it is 4. Okay. Complete it, please. Okay, now let's move to the range of ages. So this is the age. So it is very obvious that, okay. So the range is, what the ages? 12 minus 10. What is 12 minus 10? 12 minus 10 is 2. Hmm? Which one is this one? Letter C. Oh, range of masses. Mass is, I did not write yet. So which one is the highest? 48 minus 41 is 7. Okay, next one. Letter D, range of ages. So 12, 11, 11, 11, 12, 10, and 11. So the range is 12 minus 10 equals 2. Now, letter E, what is the range of the height? So meaning we are going to subtract 141 minus 122 is 19. Okay? Then letter F, the last one, what is the modal class? 46. Modal mass, modal mass. Let's see which one is written the most. 1, 2, 3, 46. Okay? Now, let's try to solve a problem. Martin's highest score was 25 and the range of his score is 8. What is the lowest score? So since we know that range is highest minus the lowest, and we will subtract 25 minus 8 if that is the lowest value. But the thing is, range is given, highest score is given, and when we are saying highest score, meaning the highest number. And then minus, okay, we don't have the lowest, so let's just bring it back. I leave it blank, but there is the range, which is 8. So that we can find this, we need to subtract 25 minus 8 is 17. Okay, so if we will check 25 minus 17, it will give us 8. Do you understand year 6? I hope you understand. You understand now what is mode and range. Remember, mode is the number that has been written frequently or appeared the most. And then the range is the difference between the highest score and the lowest score. Okay, I hope you understand everything. See you in the next lesson. Bye, year 6.